Hello everyone. Here I will discuss how to use the Jupyter Notebook to do the Python coding. As you can see, this is the opening web page of Jupyter Notebook. Over to the right, there is a drop-down menu New. In order to create a new notebook, we are going to have kernel, and the kernel are basically what programming language we are going to use. After clicking on New, there are lots of programming options which are shown, but we will choose Conda Python 3 because we are doing our coding in Python 3 environment. After clicking on Conda Python 3, completely a blank new notebook opens. The first empty cell is already available in the new notebook. Let's go ahead and give the title to our Jupyter notebook. Let's name it My First Notebook and press enter. You can see the name of the notebook has been changed from untitled to My First Notebook. And let's start our first Python coding in this cell. After writing the code, we can execute it either by clicking on this run button or pressing shift and enter. The resulting output became visible right below the cell. After doing this, we want to save our Jupyter notebook or export it to our local computer. We can do this easily by clicking on this file, and there will be download as option. You can just see there are various extensions in which we can download our Jupyter notebook. These are the basic of Jupyter notebook, which will be really helpful while doing the Python coding. Thank you.